Hey, what's up, guys? I just want to tell you that your cargo pants are basically your toolbox, and everything's got a pocket clip for a reason. Got my slide winder. Milwaukee. Compact. Really good blade shape. I like it a lot. Pretty light. Sturdy. This gets used almost every day. Gerber trunk. Many uses. Well, that one's not gonna stick. Coast flashlight. Everything's clipped in my pocket. Right in the rain pen. Original fixed blade. Just wanted to show you. That's what lanyards are actually for. It's when you need to pull something out of your pocket. Grab it. Like that. Yank it out. I do have a pouch, but it's pretty heavy. I leave it in my backpack most of the time. Take it out when I need it. If I gotta climb on somebody's roof, fix something, or go around, do whatever. Did a quick video. Well, wasn't quick. Took too long, so nobody watched it. But here you go. It's right in the rain pouch. Whoop. Got nested sockets. Mini ratchet. Bit driver on the bottom. USB cable. Got another mini pen in there. And a rack of bits that slides in there and holds everything. Well, I'm going to pack my stuff up because it's raining, but just want to say I appreciate anybody who took their time to watch the video, and thanks very much. Oh, that fell on the ground. Keychain bit driver. It's like a little switchblade. Thank you, guys. Have a great afternoon, and get outside and enjoy. Take care.